Sourcing and Magic is kind of like the big annual party for the fashion industry, especially sourcing and supply chains. I think that you'll see exhibitors from all over the world. It's a big family.
I would say it's a buzzy energy. There's something about it that just, you know that there's a lot of industry people here that you really want to like rub elbows with and get to know them, understand their new techniques, especially with all the innovation that's happening around the world, and being able to share those resources is so important. So being able to have it all encased in one place is just so powerful.
Sourcing in Magic is good because Portugal is a focus country. You have everybody in one place.
Sustainability has started to get more and more important. The response for X-Ray Fashion has been awesome. People seem to really love it. I know it's the fashion industry and sometimes it's hard to hear, when fashion is hard on the environment, but we've had wonderful responses from everyone from industry members, students, consumers.
When you walk to other shows, you see what's coming up in the next 6 months. Sourcing predicates the future. It is through sourcing you're able to understand what's coming up in packaging, what are the latest fabrications that are coming out. So if you're interested in Gen Z, you've got to come to a place like Sourcing to understand what is coming up on the horizon. Sourcing is the heart of what is happening in the industry.